Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the three questions written by Leo Tolstoy. In this lesson, means it is a short narrative story. This lesson is a beautiful short narrative story which is written by Leo Tolstoy. Means this story brings out the importance of time. Story brings out the importance of time. Yesterday we have seen means that certain king had an idea and he asked the means he want the three answer of these three questions. Which is the three questions? Means who were the right people? Who were the right people? Means he want to know about the what was the right time for every action, and it is the first question. And second question is who were the most necessary people, and third question is how would the king know what was the most important thing to do. Means how would the king know what was the most important thing to do. Means these are the three questions, and he want to know about these three questions answer, and that's why he made a proclamation. Means he made the announcement in his kingdom. Those who are giving the his three questions answer, he give a great reward to them. And now next what happens, see. Many learned people came to the court, but they all gave different answers in reply to the first questions. Means many learned people, means many knowledgeable people. Learn means here knowledgeable. Means many knowledgeable people, many scholar people came to the court, but they all gave different answers. Means they all, these scholar person gave the these scholar people gave the means different answers of these questions in reply to the first question. Means what was the first question? Means what was the right time for every action. For that, means there are different replies. See, in reply to the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days, months, and years. Means some people said, means some scholar give the answer. Means if you want to know the right time for every action, then one must draw up in advance the tables of day. Draw up, it is a phrase. Meaning of draw up means to make a plan. To make a plan means some scholars said one must make a plan in advance. Means they make a plan, means they make a table of dates, table of months, and table of years, and must live strictly according to that table. And they must means we must live strictly according to the table, means days, months, and years. Okay, means one must draw up the advanced timetable, and strictly we have to follow it. According to that timetable, we have to follow the timetable. Means some scholar give like this way answer. Others declare that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Means some scholars, they declare that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Means some said that it means before we don't decide the right time for any action. Okay, every action. But that not letting oneself be absorbed in ideal pastimes. And that's why, but that means for the right time, not letting oneself. Means not letting means here allow. Letting means allow. Means not allow oneself be absorbed. Be absorbed. Absorb means giving complete attention to. Means one should not allow oneself to give the complete attention to that means for every action. Absorbed in ideal pastime. Ideal means for the vacant time, or for the empty time, empty past time. One should always attend to all that was going on. Means one should always, means don't, means some scholars give the answer, don't give complete attention to whatever happened, whatever happened. But one should always attend to all that was going on. Means one should give the attention on the present time. Means what was going on means present time, and then do that was most essential. And like this way you can do means which was the most essential. Essential means necessary, which was most necessary. Like this way you can means follow for the right time. Means that can be, we can say that means present time is the right time. Means some scholar give the answer present time is the means it is the right time for every action. Yet others said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action, and that the king should, means some scholars said that it was impossible for one man to decide correctly the right time for every action. Means some scholar give the answer, it was impossible to one man to decide correct time for the every action, correctly the right time for every action, that the king should, means whatever the king required. Instead, have a council of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. And some means scholar said that means have the advice of wise people. Means king should take the advice of wise people who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Means some scholar gave the suggestion to the king or advice to the king. King should be take the help of wise people. They would help him to fix the proper time for everything. Like this way means different scholar, different learned people give the different suggestion, different answer to the king. Now see second question. We will learn tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.